Okay, hi everybody. We're going to look at how we can make a video using Clips by Apple, or Apple Clips. It's actually Apple's version of a short video editor, so super cool tool. Awesome for students to make short videos, but really great for anybody to make short videos that they can then share with family and friends. So to do it, we're going to launch Clips. So you can see it is the app with the kind of movie camera in it and a blue circle. So we'll go ahead and launch it. This brings up our application. So a couple of things we can do. We can actually turn the video around. So I can do that. And then you get a selfie view. So hi everybody, I'm Ben. Thanks for watching. Or you can flip it around the other way and you can record something that's front facing on the camera, or what we can also do is go to our library and you can find images that you have saved in your library, but also videos that you've made. Anything that you've done in the past can be saved to this point here. So for example, we can let's look at a couple of different pictures from my trip to Disney World last year. Why not? So we're going to make a video kind of combining a lot of these images together, but we're going to record our voice over top of them. All right. So for example, let's we'll just select a couple from our dinner with Winnie the Pooh and friends. So there's my son getting to know Winnie the Pooh. So we'll go ahead and put that in. And then now what we want to do is we want to make this come to life. So right now this is just a picture that's not actually a video. So to make it come to life, we're going to press the red button. So it's very much like Instagram, Snapchat. If you're doing a story on one of those tools, you press the red button. That's what Apple's kind of going for here. The other thing though that we want to try and test out though is down in the left-hand side next to the red button, you see there's that little caption icon. This is how we can put live titles on our slides, and you can see that you can actually change the language of them. So if you're speaking in another language, you can change it to one of those languages. Now you want to make sure that you always change it back, because like I was on Spanish from another demonstration. If I would have left that on there, it would have been subtitles in Spanish. So not great. It wouldn't be translated, but it wouldn't have picked any up because it would be looking for Spanish. We're going to go with English. And you can see there are different areas that the live titles can go, top, bottom, however you wanted to have them. So just wanted to let you know that that's an option. But let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to record my voice over top of this image. And to do that, you're going to push the red button and then start talking. So this was a really cool moment. My little boy Ryder got to meet Winnie the Pooh and give him a big hug. He really liked it. So now I have that clip, and if we look back on it, so this was a really cool moment. You can hear me talking, but then I also now have a chance to go in and do some editing. So if I select the clip down in the bottom where it has the white circle on it, now I can go back, put some live titles in. You can also see that it translated. I could edit it. So like my son's name is not Ryder with an R-I-D-E-R, it's R-Y-D-E-R. So we'll change that. And we'll go ahead and hit done. And so now we've got that. We can also change the style. So let's go ahead and add those in. And then we'll just hit the X to come out of that. And then you can also add different things. There's different effects that we could add in. So we can put in some fun stickers. Okay, so I don't believe they've got any Winnie the Pooh stickers, but they've got Toy Story and other Disney characters in here too. So that's super fun. You can drop those in. You could add text in. Okay, so we can go ahead and maybe put in just regular text. Okay, and then now just shrink that down, and to shrink it, we're just going to pinch with 2 fingers. Okay, so that's our video. Now, you can also trim it. So if it was too long, you can trim out certain sections of it, split it. So you can, cut, maybe you screwed up and you want to just cut half of it out, you can do that. And then you can also duplicate the clip. Okay, so that's what those kind of things do. But we want to add another one in here. So we make this whole video recap of the Disney trip. So we'll go ahead and hit done. And then now go back to our library and let's look for another picture. So here I am with Tigger. So I got my picture with Tigger because Tiggers are wonderful things. And so I had to make sure that I got my photo with him. And then you can do any of the other options, that we looked at before, but that's all we're going to do for this one. And then down at the bottom, you can see I have the clip of Winnie the Pooh, I have Tigger, and if I was to go ahead and want to do another one, I'll just go ahead and hit done and go back to my library. And this time we'll bring in a video. Okay, so you can kind of see what that looks like. So here is my son Ryder dapping up Piglet. And so if you just drop this in and then you just push and hold the red button and don't say anything, it'll run for the length of the video, right? So we'll go ahead and do that. And so now that video is a part of the video, the greater overall video. And the reason why this is called clips is you're creating all of these little clips that then are coming together to form one video. And that's where it gets really, pretty fun. So the last thing we're going to look at though is we're going to hit done and we're going to go back to the main overall video here. And we want to put in some music. So let's tap on the music icon in the top right corner. Now what this does is it looks for music that comes from your iPad's library or your iPhone library. So you have to go in and download this stuff from the music app. And so if I go into my music and then I can kind of look and see what, different music I have downloaded on my iPad. And if I just go into downloaded music, I actually do have some Disney stuff in here. We'll use You've Got a Friend in Me, even though it's Toy Story and we got Winnie the Pooh, whatever, it's okay. We'll go ahead and add that. And then now this will play. So this was a really cool moment. My little boy Ryder got to meet Winnie the Pooh and give him a big hug. He really liked it. You can hear the music going in the background. So we'll go ahead and hit done on that. And then that music's gonna play throughout the whole video when it's finished. So even right now in the Piglet DAP clip. So this was a really cool, so we'll go back and play that. Oh, can't hear it right now, but it'll play throughout the whole thing, okay? So lots of fun stuff that we can do. You're mixing them all together. You can also add posters in. This can just be like a quick graphic that you put at the beginning of the video or in the middle too. You can kind of move it around. So if you wanted to drop in something that was a little more, creative, you can certainly add that poster in. But then when we're finished and we want to share this video out, we're going to select the sharo down in the bottom right corner of the screen. And then you can see we can export the project or we can save it as a video. Now, if you're a teacher and you want your kids to turn it into you, they can select Google Classroom or Seesaw and they can send it directly to those applications, which is pretty cool. For us, we're just gonna save the video to our photos and it'll take just a minute, depending on how long the video is. It may take longer than others. This one is pretty short, so it shouldn't take too long at all. Like there, now we're done. And now when we want to find that and watch it, we're just going to go back to our photos, find it in our recents, and then hit play. My little boy Ryder got to meet Winnie the Pooh and give him a big hug. He really liked it. So I got my picture with Tigger because Tiggers are wonderful things, and so I had to make sure that I got my photo with him. So you could hear the music was going in the background the whole time. It's a really neat way to create awesome short videos that your kids can demonstrate their understanding of a topic with. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you check back for more. So thanks very much.